Thank you for joining me for this bow pose breakdown. So with bow pose, we have to make sure that we are not doing this pose if we are pregnant. This is not a pose. You want to make sure you avoid it if you're pregnant, if you have any hernias, or if you have any back injuries. Okay, so make sure that you're really careful on avoiding it if you have any of those contraindications. For bow pose, we gotta make sure that we warm up. So make sure that we do baby cobra, cobra before going into bow pose, okay? Bow pose is great for stretching our hip flexors. It opens up, it's a big heart opener or chest opener.
We're going to go on our bellies.
You also want to avoid this pose if you have high or low blood pressure or migraines, any low back or neck issues. Bow pose is great to relieve fatigue, anxiety, and menstrual discomfort. It stimulates the digestive system, relieves constipation, and improves posture. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to come down, resting our chest on the mat. Palms are up. We're going to come back and we're going to grab the outside of our ankle with both hands. If you cannot reach, if your arms cannot reach your ankles, you can go ahead and use a strap. We want to keep our knees hip width apart. So they're going to want to try to move out. We want to keep them in. So you want to hold your knees in. We're going to go ahead and we're going to kick up and really come into this pose, breathing through it. We're going to hold it for 3 breaths. Excellent. Go ahead and slowly release that, bringing your legs back down to the mat. Go ahead and letting go. Come down. Go ahead and get into crocodile for a moment. Then rest here. Go ahead and come on back. We're going to come back into child's pose. We're going to do child's pose, knees together. To relax that spine. Go ahead and come on up. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.